This is the iNaturalist website, and I'm just quickly going to show how to upload records on iNaturalist. So click this upload button in the right corner, and then we can choose multiple files to upload. So I have these images of some butterflies which I have already resized to a manageable size, and now we are trying to upload them. So now you can see all the images are here in the uh, box. So basically, when we are uploading images, we have to keep in mind that on single day, single individual butterfly goes as a same record. So what we can do is we can select all the images of one particular butterfly and just combine the records. And I clearly remember that this six images pertain again to the same butterfly. So I'm going to combine them. So now I have these three records. You can also see that it has already taken the time and date from the images itself. Now going to the location and geocoding. I'm just going to select all of these because they were all taken in the same location. I'm going to click on the location tab. It gives me this map. I can either scroll to a particular location, use different keys, or I can also search for a location. So I know these images were taken in FRLHT campus in Bangalore. So the moment I select, I get the FRLHT campus here, but this circle is too big. I know that it was taken, these images were photographed somewhere here towards the entrance. So I have selected this uh, location and I'm just saying, okay, update these observations. Now you can see that there are locations also provided. So at this point, you can actually submit the observations, but I will also like to name them rather than just submitting. So I know this is a zebra blue. Uh, I know this is of genus Nepithma, which is rings, and this is a chocolate pansy. You can see here I'm not really going to go to a lot of details in the initial round. I'm just uh, assigning them a broader level classification. We can keep refining the classifications later, and then we can also add different fields. But basically right now I have these three records ready to be uploaded, and now I will just go ahead and say submit these three observations, just making sure the names, the dates, and the places are there. And I just go and say submit. It says saving observations, and yeah, that's it. We already have the observation on the website. We can very clearly see here. If we want to refine anything, we can always open the observation by clicking on it. We can check the details, see, uh, and it automatically assigns the observations uh, to the projects, and you can see them if you have joined the projects. If you are not joined the project, you cannot see the projects listed here, but you can still see uh, your records inside that project. Now going to annotations, I know that this is an adult butterfly. It's not larva or pupa, so I can set that. I know um, this was a live butterfly, so it was not dead. And that is it. I don't know whether it's male or female, so I'm not going to do anything with that. So this is how simple it is to upload images on iNaturalist. It is very intuitive.